All right, it is Friday and it is April 21st. All right, what happened on some of these ETFs this morning? Look at SQQQ, which is short the NASDAQ, basically NASDAQ 100. It's the reverse of TQQQ. Go back to yesterday. Look at this run up end of the day. Huge. Down support like about 30.80, move pre market all the way up to 31.30. You need a nice little wash down. Down support basically at 30.80, just above, which is yesterday's close. And then he had a nice takeoff here. This was the move 31. Look at these candles all the way up to 31.40. Get 50 cents almost on that. That's a nice little scalp I had. And then look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles. Anytime you see this and then the first candle's green after this, you go long. That's been my experience. We got in this another quick little scalp on that, which was not much, like 20, 25 cents. And then this all day it's been very choppy though. Look at this all day back and forth. Late day, you see this move here, another move down. I'm looking for this trend line over 30.60. Got the 30.90, so it's a nice 30-cent move. They're going to the 10-minute. You can see it was just like it was down all day, trying to break through, but never really happened. So that was the move on this. Because the market was very choppy. And daily chart on this, let's take a look. Going back on this, it's low as it's been basically since January. Got a little below. So this might be the bottom for now, and we might get a move to the market to the downside. We'll see if that develops. Right now stochastics are going up. Look at my chart right here. You have this right here is a key on this low, and then you have a higher low right here, 1, 2. So it's trying to stay, above, trying to move up here. It's not really going lower. It is making a slight move up. You can see here 31 from like 30, 29.40. We'll see what happens next week. Weekly chart. Now, the weekly chart is forming sort of like a snake move back and forth, and eventually what happens with that is all these lines close. This is a descending triangle. See the highs getting lower each time? And then what happens on this is it breaks out. See this high broke again, but it's getting lower, this high. But it's running out of room because when it's oversold like this, it can't go lower than 0. So expect to move up on this. This happened before. You can see in the past all these green candles and then the red candles. It's put in 3 candles in a row. Now we're going sideways. So it's coming out of this little zone here, this little channel or falling wedge. So, longer term, this could go into May. Look for a move to 35, maybe 40. The market hits a downturn. So that's what it looks like right now. SQQQ. Let's take a look at the reverse. TQQQ. See the move up. This is starting to fade too. It's trying to get above 28. It's not happening. And you have right here divergence. When this starts going lower and this is struggling here, that's the next sign to drop. All right, 5-minute candle. You can see here I did the reverse on that. So this was a nice little bounce. Pre-market 26.50 all the way to 26.80 came down. All right, here is the reverse move. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Look at this big candle here. First green candle again. Now on this right here, 26.41. When they bring it down, sometimes they don't bring it to the cent, like 50 cents, 70. They try to take it just short of that because you'll miss your entry. So usually I'll do 40, like anything within 5 cents, depending on the stock. So 26.45. So if this went down to like 26, like I said, 26.41, you put in 26.40, you're gonna miss it. All right, so this moves up. This is a nice move here. 26.30 all the way to 80. It's nice 50 cents. Then we come back again. This is the choppiness back and forth. Now this is another signal right here. This hammer candle. When you understand candles, you understand after this brief little move, then you have a hammer out the bottom. Then right here, 26.50 all the way near 26.80. And then what you notice again, look at this line here. We're getting higher. The low is getting higher and higher right here, here. And then, it's just a big mess here. Chop around. And then on this 2680, you got up to 27 plus. So it was a nice little move. So this was a tougher day. It was extreme moves, really fast moves. See, this is like 10. And what did it last? Like 30 minutes. And this is another move, but it was a lot of chop. And it was very hard to hold long on either side. It's more of a scalp, get in, get out. I was looking definitely at the candles here. Once they changed, it started to turn red. See, after you have all green too, on these little moves, once you see red, you're getting out right away because you're going to take profit here from all these extreme green candles, like the other side when it's all red. That's the lock-in profit. So that's TQQQ. Look at the weekly chart on this. Where's this heading? Now this is the reverse. We just talked about the snake move. This is going up, but what's happening here? You're running out of room here. This went up, broke around 50. This 50 line broke up again. Extremely high here. Stochastics 94.15. That is overbought. You're coming back down. And what could happen next is this 22 line. 24 to 22. We'll see how strong the pullback is. What happens in the market, profit taking. That's where we are on that. So you can see this here. It's been a long run, basically since January. You have 4 months now. Almost 5 months going into May. So it's a very, grind up, not extreme moves up. Not like anything like this. It's a straight up move. But we'll see if the next move's down on this. All right, so that's it. Quick moves. The story on the day. So on days like this, you can look back on these videos. Good learning process. Take your 30 cents, 50-cent moves, the smaller moves. It doesn't matter. It's still profit. All right, please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. I appreciate it. Leave comments any on these ETFs or anything else. I'm on Mike Cayman Trades on TikTok, any other social media. And that is it. Peace.